everyone, it's Jerry Niesman of the Niesman team at Keller Williams Realty here again for another episode of the Niesman Team Tours. Thanks for checking us out, and today, as you can see, we're checking out a brand new community. They just broke ground on it a couple months ago, don't even have their models finished yet, but I wanted to get you all the details as quickly as possible because it's one of the few new home communities where they don't have a sales freeze right now. So this is Crane Landing, being built by Lennar Homes, and it is in North Fort Myers, just east of 41 and off of the Del Prado Extension and Mellow Road. So, brand new community, completely new floor plans for Lennar. These are new plans that were just introduced starting in this community here in the Southwest Florida division. So they brought in some new plans to hit a new, more affordable price point. So these homes are going to start, they're kind of family oriented, 4-bedroom. The smallest one in the community is 4-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage and a little over 1,800 square feet. That's the Harrisburg plan that you see there. And they go all the way up to a 6-bedroom, 3.5-bath, 2-car garage home with 3,326 square feet. These homes are going to start from about $240 and go up into the mid to high 300s. So very affordable new community for brand new homes. It's really an amazing price point. But the whole community is designed for affordable living. So extremely low HOA fees, only $149 a month, and that includes all your lawn maintenance and irrigation. And then there's also no CDD. For those of you that are familiar with it, it's an additional bond that some developers add to your tax bill that increases your monthly expenses. There is no such thing here in Crane Landing. So the only fees you're paying are the $149 a month, and that takes care of your lawn maintenance, so you don't have to worry about that. And as well as the irrigation system, maintaining that and covering all of your irrigation water. So really, really affordable new home community was the goal in mind. This is the American DreamSeries, and you can see we're getting into the model homes that are still under construction, but I wanted to give you kind of a feel of the layout, so I apologize they're a little messy right now. We'll get updated videos once they get these models finished. But really great layout designed to maximize the living space and make things nice and comfortable, keep the bedrooms as spread out as possible. They're still going to come with all of Lennar's typical everything's included type features, so very few options and upgrades to really bump the price up. There's plenty of room on just about every one of these home sites for a pool. As you'll see on the model home as we get out there, they are putting a pool on that one. And the whole community is built around lakes, so almost every home site is going to have a nice lake view. So you don't have homes right behind you, which is something that you don't find in most of these communities when they design them to be affordable. They typically do that by using as much of the land as possible to put as many houses on as possible, where here they did still give you the lake views on just about every home site. That was the garage there that they're building out for their sales office. I will come with actually, they're doing quartz countertops in these. Nice shaker cabinets. The countertops aren't in, but it will be quartz countertops. You'll have tile floors in the wet areas, and then the standard will be carpet everywhere else. You will have the option to be able to upgrade to tile throughout if you want. And then, of course, you can see out the window there the optional pool that they're putting in. Still a nice size owner's suite. And then into the owner's bath. Which still gets double vanities. Nice little linen closet there. Stand-up shower, tiled all the way. So they didn't go cheap on the options. There's no plastic inserts or anything like that. Nice tile. And a nice big walk-in closet. So it still gives you all the features and amenities that you've come to look for in the brand new homes. Just at a really affordable price. There's your lake view. You can kind of see past the dirt mounds from digging the pool. And then here's another one of their homes. They've got a ton of them under construction. Like I said, one of the few communities that they don't have a sales freeze on because they're trying to get some momentum going in the community as they get it started. So this one really can't get much of a feel. As you can see, it will be this will be one of their two-story homes. But wanted to give you a feel, let you see all the homes that they've got under construction, as you can see, and the fact that they all wrap around these beautiful lakes. So if this is a community you're interested in, give us a call, 239-201-9583. Send us a message. Feel free to ask questions here on YouTube or on Facebook, or you can email us at jerryniesman@gmail.com. Check us out on our website at realpeople-realestate.com. And then, of course, like and subscribe our channel here and ring the bell if you want notifications when we post new content. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.